this video we are going to find the area of the finite region bounded by this curve and the x-axis. Our first step is to sketch the curve to see what we're dealing with. Here it is. We can see that the roots are 0, 1 and -3. I'll just shade in the area between the curve and the x-axis. At this stage we realise why it was a good idea to sketch the graph. We see that we have areas both above and below the x-axis, so we have to be very careful when using integration to find the combined area. We have to integrate separately to get the areas. Okay, so to integrate to get this area we have to integrate between 0 and -3. So that's that written down. That's what we have to integrate to get this area just here. Okay, when we expand these brackets, which we have to do when we integrate, we get this. So let's integrate it. Here it is, integrated. Now we need to substitute 0 into there. That gets 0. Then we need to take away the value of -3 substituted in there. So that is -45/4. So all in all, this shows that the area of the first part of the graph is 45/4. We now have to integrate between 1 and 0 to get this area underneath the curve. And then the plan is to add them both together, and then we've got the area between the curve and the x-axis. Okay, so I've already expanded it in this part, so I've just rewritten it again. So this integrated is the same as before. So now we need to substitute 1 into that. That is -7/12. And take away what the value is when 0 is substituted in. That's 0. So all in all we have -7/12 for the area. We'd expect this to be a negative value, as the negative sign tells us that the area is beneath the x-axis. The actual area here is 7/12. It's because of this feature of integration that we have to integrate those two areas separately. So the total area that's bound between the curve and the x-axis, i.e. both of those areas together, is found by taking the first area, 45/4, and adding it to the actual area of the second part, which is 7/12, and this makes 71/6. I hope this video has helped. Thank you for watching.